Very good morning, 10th class students. Our running topic is application of trigonometry. So, from the chapter, I am going to explain some important questions from 12.1 exercise. Listen well. So, here is the fifth question from 12.1 exercise. Raju wants to erect a pole of height 10 meters. For example, here one pole is there. What is the height of the pole? 10 meters. One person, Raju, he wants to erect a pole and he is taking the support of 3 ropes. He is taking the support of 3 ropes. With the support of 3 ropes, they are making an angle. So the ropes are making an angle 30 degrees with the pole. What should be the length of the rope? You have to find out what is the length of the rope. So clear question here. One 10 meters high pole is there. Raju wants to erect that pole and he is taking the support of 3 ropes. And each and every rope is making 30 degrees angle with the ground. For example, I am taking this A and B and C. What is the meaning of BC? BC is equal to height of pole. How much that is? 10 meters. Next, what about the AB? Distance between the foot of the rope and also foot of the pole. That is, I don't know. Let this is x meters. AB is equal to x meters. Then after, what is the AC? AC is equal to length of rope. Let that is y meters. That is y meters. So from 30 degrees, this is called opposite side of theta, and also this one is nothing but adjacent side of theta. And this is nothing but hypotenuse in triangle ABC. Theta is equal to 30 degrees. Then after, opposite side, theta is equal to BC is equal to 10 meters. See here, I know the value of the opposite side. I need the value of hypotenuse. Here, I know the value of the opposite side. I need the value of hypotenuse. It means I need the relation between the opposite side and also hypotenuse. What is the ratio here? To use sin theta. Hypotenuse AC is equal, I don't know, that is nothing but y meters. Now here I am going to use the formula sin theta. Why? Because sin theta is a ratio between the opposite side and also hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal, what is the opposite side here? BC. By what is the hypotenuse? AC. Sin theta means 30 degrees is equal. What is the length of the BC here? 10 by y. So value of sin that is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 10 by y. So y is equal to 10 into 2 is equal to 20 meters. So 20 meters is a length of only one rope. But here there are total 3 ropes are there. Length of required rope is equal to 20 plus 20 plus 20 is equal to 60 meters. So Raju is using 60 meters rope to climb the pole. So here is the 9th question from the chapter. An observer of height 1.8 meters. Here one observer there. Height of that observer is 1.8 meters. He is 13.2 meters away from a palm tree. Here one palm tree is there. This observer is 13.2 meters away from that palm tree. 13.2 meters. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree from his eye is 45 degrees. So the top of the tree is doing 45 degrees angle of elevation. Now you have to find what is the height of the palm tree. Now I am taking name A and B and C and D and E. What about the AB? AB is nothing but HT means height of observer. It means AB is equal to DC is equal to 1.8 meters. 1.8 meters. Next, what about the BC? BC is equal to AD is equal to 13.2 meters. 13.2 means the observer is 13.2 meters away from the foot of the palm tree. Next, let I don't know the length of the DE. DE is equal to I am taking as X. Then height of palm tree is equal X plus 1.8. To find the height of the palm tree, first you have to find the value of X. In triangle ADE. In triangle ADE. Theta is equal to how much? 45 degrees. Then after opposite side is equal to DE is equal to X meters. Then after what is the adjacent side here? 13.2. It means adjacent side is equal to AD is equal to 13.2 meters. Now I am going to use the formula of tan theta. What is the formula of the tan theta? Opposite side to theta by adjacent side. What is the opposite side here? X by 13.2. Tan. The angle of elevation is 45 degrees. Is equal to X by 13.2. So 1 is equal to X by 13.2. So after the cross multiplication, X is equal to 13.2 meters. Now I know the value of the X, but I need the value of height of that palm tree. HT means height of palm tree is equal to X plus 1.8. 13.2 plus 1.8 is nothing but 15 meters. So height of the palm tree is 15 meters. Here Rajendra observes a person standing on the ground. Here one person, he is standing on the ground. Let A is the location of the person. A helicopter at an angle of depression 45 degrees. So Rajendra observing that person from a helicopter. What is the flying height of the helicopter? 500 meters. So from the helicopter, Rajendra is observing the person with angle of depression 45 degrees. What is the angle of depression? Line of sight is always lower than the horizontal line. So from the Rajendra, location of Rajendra, he may take one horizontal line. So what is the angle of depression here? 45 degrees. A and B and C and D. Now you have to find what is the distance between the Rajendra and also the person you have to find it. See here, AB is equal, I don't know the distance between A and B. Why? Because, let that is X meters. What is the meaning of AC? Distance between Rajendra and person. Let this is 5 meters. Now I need to find the value of y. Next, see here, CD and AB both are parallel. CD parallel to AB. It means angle DCA. Angle DCA is equal to angle CAB. Both are the alternate interior angles. Here also, what is the angle of the CAB? 45 degrees square, because these two are the alternate interior angles. Now angle of depression changes to angle of elevation. Then what is the opposite side here? BC is the opposite side. Theta is equal to BC is equal to how much? 500 meters. Then what about the hypotenuse? Is equal to AC is equal to y meters. Then what about the angle theta is equal to 45 degrees. See, here I know the value of the opposite side, I need the value of the hypotenuse. So the relation between opposite and the hypotenuse is sin theta. Sin theta is equal opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side here? BC by AC. It means sin theta means sin 45 degrees is equal to BC is nothing but 500 by y. Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 is equal to 500 by y. Then y is equal to 500 root 2 meters. So the distance between Rajendra and the observer, it means Rajendra and also observing point is 500 root 2 meters.